The National People's Party kalapan pau ke Kyrmen bau MP berthamai ke Rajya Sabha u James PK Sangma un pendan kam hok ya ke benta bala IT hu banra banya sad ya kimat bakongsan jang ke Meghalaya ha parliament. Habakren mikilat pathai Khubor menta kesngi na kaliang working president ke NPP ke Jilla u badiru u menteri sarkar u Marcus and Marak u loong baka parti ke ngit scam ba u James Sangma u bala shimsmai ku mudukot ke Rajya Sabha kesngi ningkong u don ke jingtip ke babanya shapang ke Jilla bat ula ban pensngau syai ye kimat paipa ha parliament. U Marcus Marak u loong ru baka jingla jong James Sangma ban keren bha ha ke ketin Hindi bat English kan yarap shibun ha ke jingesat ye kimat ke bede baka Jilla ha ke kerdan kari. Menteri ulah kedau bagi Meghalaya kadang don bon kimat ki bedon kam ban Rajya Parliament. Na pedeng kimat ki bakam kerke kilong kajing penteri kam ye ke inline permit ILP nang ta kajing pendrung ye ke ketin khasi bat garu ha ke kernet ke bapra bat bon kiwei pat.
Yes, Mr. James Pangsanke Sangma has taken oath yesterday in upper house of the parliament. We are expecting positively from him because he is having a very good knowledge of our state and can express very well in the parliament because he don't have any language issues. He can speak Hindi very fluently. He can speak English also. We have lots of issues in our states that needs to be addressed or that needs to be voiced in the parliament. The burning issues are, for instance, implementation of ILP and then Khasigaru language, and so on and so forth. So many burning issues are there to be taken up in the parliament.